A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You're passionate about God and Him kingdom? Or you're just warm? Why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation, chapter 3, from verse 14 to verse 22. And then him say, write the letter here, go get the leader for the church where in Laodicea, and tell him say, the messenger I come from the one we name the Amen, the one we always show we the truth about God. And him God use to make everything. Me know everything about you. Me know say uno no cool and uno no hot. Me wish uno did cool or hot. But uno see like how uno just warm and uno no cool and uno no hot. My out for pit uno out of my mouth right here now. Uno say, me rich, me have all heap of money and everything me want. But you know see how you mash up and turn bad and pop down like old shoes back and poor and blind and never no clothes. This how me think uno shoulda do. Buy gold from me. Gold we burn in a fire to get out all when of in it. If uno buy the gold, uno woulda really get rich. Buy white clothes from me so uno can cover up on yourself. That way there uno not fi shame cause uno never no clothes. And buy eye drop from me too. Fi drop in and uno eye them so uno can see. The people when me love, me talk to them hard and straighten them out and make them know say what them a do wrong. So get serious and turn away from uno sin them and show say uno sorry. Listen me turn up right at the door and I knock. If anybody hear me a call and open the door, me will come in a house and me and him will name and drink together. Anybody will beat the devil and not give into the sitting them where him want them to do. Me go give him the right to sit on side of me, pan my throne. Same like how me did beat the devil and not give into the sitting them where him did want me to do. And sit on side of my father, pan film throne. All who can hear, better listen to what the Holy Spirit has said to the church them. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.